All right, so in this video, we're gonna talk about shoe storage in your garage. And I know like most families, we have the same issue. It's just shoes everywhere. So I was looking for a way to make this a little more organized. And this is what I kind of came up with. So this is a corner of my garage. And what I did was I built a wall, as you can see here. And we drywalled the wall. And then we spackled it like you would normally do with any other drywalled wall. And then we painted it. Then what we did is we painted it the same color as our ceiling, which is a dark, like navy blue. The idea here was to hide the shoes because, let's be honest, the shoes aren't the nicest thing to look at. We then purchased from Home Depot black adjustable shelves. And we started here. You install the top bracket. This is a pretty straightforward process. You cut all of your shelves to length, and then you install your wall brackets, and then you install your shelves. Now, the nice thing here is that this is very adjustable, and as your family grows or maybe shrinks, you can add shelves, move shelves. You can even put different things on here. So that's why I went with this route. It's adjustable. If we decide to change this later in life, we definitely can. Now, things that went well. It looks okay. The one thing that didn't go well is I thought that these shoes were going to disappear in this corner. Before I installed these crazy lights in my garage to make it extremely bright, you could barely see the shoes. As soon as I installed these lights, boom, those shoes were on display. I still think they kind of hide back there and you don't see them as much as maybe you would if it was a light color in there, but that was the idea. We also have a little bonus spot here because I built these stairs and we have this little bonus storage here on the bottom that you just lift up and maybe you put like your winter boots and things like that in there. Also was thinking maybe on the top shelf we could add one of those totes. I made it in dimensions that will accept a tote that you can buy from Home Depot. But yeah, this is my shoe storage. Let me know what you think. Please please subscribe to my channel. I'm Mike, Family DIY TV. Leave me a comment down below if you tried this yourself or you have any questions.